Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas. We got Eric some gifts, and he got 165 books, which sounds like a lot, but my mom and grandma bought collector's editions of Thomas books, and we we bought him a collection of 65 books. It was like $55, and theirs were like 50, 60 bucks. And those were the winners. The toys are still sitting underneath the tree because he got the books and just took off. So, and the cat's scratching down here. I've been so busy cooking because we were supposed to have just me and Jason yesterday, but it seemed like all of a sudden we ended up with my friend, a guy he works with, and his wife. They didn't have anywhere else to go, so we made stuff for them. And then there was another person that was supposed to be coming with his two kids and his brother. They didn't come, but my cousin came, some other people came, and we still have a lot of food left over because I was trying to cook for like 10 people, and it only ended up being like 6. But we ended up taking food next door to the lady next door, and I bought her a little gift because she's by herself. And we got our gifts for each other like a month ago. He got like a KitchenAid, and because he wanted the meat grinder. So we got the KitchenAid because we could do more with it. And the meat grinder, because it's around the same price to get a good meat grinder as it is to get a KitchenAid with a meat grinder. So we got that for him, and I got a PlayStation 5, which is not bad. But today I'm finally getting back to normal. I'm not coughing and hacking up a lung. My lips are finally healing a little bit. And afterwards, I was kind of thinking, I'm like, did the grapes do it? Because I'm allergic to cranberries. Like, my eyes swell shut, and sometimes when I eat green grapes, I get sores. I ate grapes, and all of a sudden I got sores, but they weren't green, so I wasn't sure. Anyways, that is like a rundown real quick of everything that has went on since my last video. And the cat is just on a tear today. So I want to open the Ipsy box, and I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in the Walmart winter box and just do them both at once in case I don't get back here before the end of the month. I'm going to try. I got some ideas. I want to do some stuff. I want to build a shelving unit. Like actually go get the wood, put the shelves up, kind of put some stuff in there because I have all my crochet, cross stitch, all kinds of stuff over here that I'm trying to get into, but I'm also trying to read more. It's just a lot, and I left my glasses somewhere else, so hopefully there's nothing little I need to read. Or yeah, anyways, I don't want to restart, so I had to stick it together, and I kind of did a big huge download, and I'm sorry. Welcome to Erica Life with Erica. I'm Erica. This is my December Boxycharm that I got like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, a long time ago, and it's just been sitting here. This is what it says. It says Unwrap Joy. And it's got the little things. And I forgot how much it is. The light keeps blinking, and I don't know what to do with that. Okay, the first thing in here is the Professional Good Cleanup by Benefit. I picked this because I was like, ooh, I want to try some of their skincare. And it's a metal bottle. And it says it's good for 12 months. I've been using a lot of the skincare cleansers that I got in my Boxycharm. You say hello, Sheriff? Sheriff. I don't know what she's on today. Okay. It's Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I put mine in the shower and I use it at night. And this says visibly removes dirt, oil, and impurities. Lemon extract helps pores look smaller. I have it way over here. Lathers into bubbly foam. Apply to face. Massage in gentle circular motions. Rinse. Use in the morning and night. Professional Unblocked Cleansing Oil. Alright. And the next thing, put that in there. I don't know why this light's blinking. I've been trying to figure it out. The next thing is Hydrating Eyeshadow Primer by Appeal. Here's the box. I don't find myself using eyeshadow primer, so I'll probably put it in the giveaway box I have over here. hydrating eyeshadow primer. It says right there. I'm not going to open it, actually, now that I think about it, because if it's not sealed on the bottom, I don't want to break a seal. I don't know how, it says gently blend primer onto eyelid and allow to dry. Apply your eyeshadow atop the primer to create long-lasting, vibrant results. It's a nice little packaging. I like how it's like neutral colors on here. Okay, the next thing is Well People Clean Beauty Powered by Plants Expressionist Pro Mascara. I have a lot of mascaras I haven't even used yet, so this is probably going to go in the giveaway as well. It's probably plastic, but it's so cold it kind of feels like it's metal. It might be metal. It says defines, lengthens, and nourishes your lashes. This plant-powered long-wearing formula, the unique rubber brush, separates the coat and coats lashes for a full look. So that's probably going to go in the giveaway box over there too. Alright, the next thing is Lip Velvet by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got it in Peachy Nude. Oh, that's a pretty. I love that. I'm not going to open it yet because I have lots of lipsticks over here I haven't used in a while that are brand new, basically, most of them. But I'm not sure. This might go in the giveaway. It might not. I got to look through the lipsticks again. And the final product in here is a Natasha Denona palette. This was one of the things they picked. I love Natasha Denona. Oh, and those are some beautiful colors. That is like the perfect neutral palette. My cat's chewing my hair. She has some wonderful products, and I do love her products more than I love Huda Beauty's. And yeah, I love this. I love that I got this. It's called Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette, which, looking at it, it's definitely, it actually fits its name, Rose and Wood. These boxes went up to $33 a month. You get, I'm going to say this products are probably $165 maybe. I'm just guessing because I wrote it down and then I've taken so long to do the video that I forgot. And it's monthly. They went up to, I believe, $33 a month, which probably means I'll be charged $35 on the 31st for the box. And I'm not sure. I mean, you do get your money's worth. I get little products to put in giveaway boxes without having to spend an arm and a leg or anything because I don't get PR. So, yeah. I do like these boxes. I've thought before about going up to the higher value box, but I like my Boxycharm. I like just a little bit of stuff because I still get overwhelmed here sometimes. But I'm trying to streamline everything. I'm still decluttering this entire house, and I'm going to get it where I want it, which is why I disappear sometimes. So, there's that. Alright, the next thing is the Walmart. It's seasonal, and I believe it's it's less than $10. That's what I'll say. And it's Winter Wonders. It's their winter box. You get it 4 times a year. You get the spring, winter, fall, and summer. And then it tells you the little things right here. Okay. And a full size is 12 ounces. The first things in here are, so this is a third of the size. This is Nourish and Shine Daily Clean Shampoo, Shea Butter, and Aloe Extract. And they're closed. Shea Butter, Aloe, gentle yet thoroughly washes hair, hydrate and balanced, apply, lather, and rinse well. And then they have the Nourish and Shine Daily Conditioner. And I'm going to be honest, I have shampoo I'm using. I like the results it's on my hair. It's a little expensive, but like right now at Ulta, they have the jumbos on sale, so you save a little bit of money. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get those. But these full size is 12 ounces. These are a third of the size you'll get. And the full size is $6.97. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in a giveaway or if I'm going to try to send it to my mom or if I'll try it. Let me know if y'all want me to try it. because, I mean, it says for all hair types, but I'm not sure, because when I'll try it will be during the summer when I'm in the pool more. I don't use expensive shampoos during that time because I'm washing my hair every day. Okay, the next thing is Lift and Illuminate Serum. The full size is $29 for a 1.69 ounces, and this is only 0.16, so this is like an eighth probably. I don't know. I can't do the math real quick in my head. So I like number 7, skincare. I don't know if I'll get to it. The next thing in here, this is definitely not a full size. If it is, that's really sad. No, it's 0.8. The full size would be, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. A full size is $14.98. So, and this is only 0.08, and a full size is 1 ounce. So this is literally less than a tenth, because, you know, 10, 20, 30, that kind of thing. So I've been wanting to try one of these though, so I'm excited about that, and I'll probably do like a full face get ready with me or chit chat, and we'll use that. Okay, this is CeraVe Intensive Moisturizer for the body. A full size is $16.97 and is 12 ounces. This is 1 full fluid ounce, so it's less than a travel size, I'm guessing. And the last thing in here is CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain. Shades may vary. Full size is 1.7 milliliters. So this is a full size, and a full size costs $8. So there, right there, is the cost of the box. So you get a full size lip stain, and I will probably throw this in the giveaway stuff as well. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this one. It's not bad. And I'll probably throw this in there because I have the moisturizers I'm going to use. But yes, I do have a giveaway box. I want to do a giveaway at the beginning of the year. And I am trying to get back in here. And I want some ideas. Like, do y'all want me to do, like, figure out how to set up, like, a little camera system? And I could do cross stitch sometimes, and we could talk, chit chat on a live stream. Or we can do different things. And also, I know this is a beauty moment, but if you've made it this far, if you know anything about raising chickens, we have one white chicken that all of the other chickens are picking on. I had to separate that chicken into the main area, like the box area where they're supposed to be able to lay their eggs. But every time I try to let them intermingle again for the last 3 days, they attack him. So I got to get a doggy thing and get rid of the main, like a doggy, like a big pet carrier. And I'm going to take the main agitator and put him in there, her in there. And so something about it resets the pecking order if you leave them there. Like, they're just plain bullying, and I'm going to try to widen their area a little bit. They don't have a small area, but maybe it's getting too tight of quarters and they're just picking on each other. I don't know. But they're all picking on that one, and she was bleeding, and I wanted her to feel safe, so I got her up in the area where they lay their eggs, and I blocked it and gave her her own food and everything. So if y'all have any ideas, any experience with that, please let me know, because it breaks my heart. And unfortunately, I told the bully that we don't like bullies, we will cook you, because I was mad at that moment. Honestly, they were picking on that poor chicken, and she was just trying to get away. I keep calling him he. But anyways, if you made it this far, please let me know. If you want to subscribe to this channel, I'm trying to get better at all of this and get back into the swing of things. Everything this year was like, wow. But love y'all. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the year, and hope that you come up with some really good ideas, because I'm trying to get this channel to actually be about life. I got a regular camera. I got to get a card. We're trying. All right. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.